No, this won't do. That's not it either. I guess we really won't have the evening that I truly desire. But that's okay. We're not here for me. I'm here for you. Earth signs! Do you even exist? Oh, how pitiful.
Capricorn, born between December 22nd and January 19th. Symbol, the goat. Planet, Saturn. Ruling house, 10th house of career and public image. Key traits, traditional, down to earth, industrious, disciplined.
What a fine prison that sounds like. Tell me, is that where you live? Is that what holds you down this evening? There are but a few of you out there. Interesting. Water signs. What about you? Oh, this is wonderful. You don't hold your heart to any sign at all, do you?
Fire sign, baby! Aries!
Oh, okay. A few. We need not that simple answer. For it is a great thing that most of you have no connection to such trivial matters. Oh, your zodiac can only tell you so much. But the fear will tell you so much more. It is only but a step away. Go out and spend an evening in my history. I've laid it all out for you to explore. The fear, the power, oh, I smell it in this room. There's no hiding it. I see you trembling with fear, but begging for more. Good. That will take you grand and far. The evening is just beginning. Don't stop now.